Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you. Welcome to SWA Education, myself Radha, and today we are going to discuss about different kind of pigment like chlorophyll, anthocyanin, carotene. So this lecture is mainly beneficial for the aspirant who are going to prepare for Telangana Food Safety Officer exam. So in our previous few lecture, we already discussed about carbohydrate structure and function, in which we discussed about starch, cellulose, mono, di and oligosaccharide, as well as we already discussed about protein as well as lipid structure and classification. And today mainly we are going to target about pigment like carotenoids, chlorophyll, anthocyanin. So what are pigment? Pigment are defined as a set of compounds that have an intense color and are used in coloring of other material. So pigment means intense color or coloring. These coloring substances are also called biological pigment or biochrome. Chrome means a colorful agent, which mainly refer to the true pigment. These biological pigments are insoluble in water, means they are non-polar and are applied as a ground particle in solid. So, pigment like chlorophyll in case of plant, anthocyanin and carotene. Chlorophyll is green, carotene give yellow color. So these are pigments that have an intense color. Pigments are produced by the living organism and have a color which result from the color absorption technique. So there are two different type of pigment. So these two different kind of pigment are organic pigment as well as inorganic pigment. Organic pigment are made from natural sources and another one is inorganic pigment. Inorganic pigment are also called synthetic pigment. Synthetic pigment are derived from the coal tar and some of the other form of petrochemical. So pigment are the chemical substance which exhibit wavelength of the visible light, making them appear colorful. Plant, flower, algae, certain photosynthetic bacteria and even the skin of animal have a particular type of pigment which provide color and also have an ability to absorb some wavelength. So like plant leaf color is green just because of chlorophyll pigment. So in the same way, plant, flower, algae, photosynthetic bacteria, even the skin of animal have a particular type of pigment which provide color. So type of pigment in plant. Plant have a unique feature of capturing the light energy and convert it into sugar through the process called photosynthesis. So as all we know that during the process of photosynthesis, plant capture the light energy as well as in the presence of carbon dioxide, water, sunlight and chlorophyll pigment, they undergo for a process of photosynthesis in which they prepare their food and they transport the food material in the form of sucrose, that is a non-reducing sugar. And the process begins with the absorption of light energy by some specialized form of organic molecule called the pigment. So for the absorption of light energy, some specialized case of molecule that are called pigment, they are responsible for capturing of light energy and mainly chlorophyll pigment. So in chloroplast, suppose this is chloroplast and there is a presence of thylakoid. These are thylakoids. Let's suppose if I zoom it out, so thylakoid is like that. And in thylakoid membrane, photosystem 2 and photosystem 1 is present. Let's suppose this is photosystem 2. It consists of light harvesting complex on both the side, and that light harvesting complex consists of a pigment that is chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, bacterio, and another several kind of pigment like chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, as well as carotenoids, bacteriochlorophyll. So these kind of pigment present in light harvesting complex that present in thylakoid membrane. So this is responsible for the absorption of light energy. So we can say the process begins with the absorption of light energy by some specialized form of organic molecule called the pigment. The photosynthesis, a biological process, require green color pigment called chlorophyll. As we discussed that chlorophyll is present. Suppose this is a thylakoid, and in thylakoid membrane there is a presence of photosystem 2 or photosystem 1, and this is light harvesting complex, and it consists several kind of pigment, and chlorophyll is one among them, and this is mainly responsible for the absorption of light energy. Other essential plant pigment include anthocyanin, that is mainly for blue color, carotenoid, porphyrin ring, and much more. All these pigments stimulate the process of chemical reaction by reflecting the wavelength. The essential type of plant pigment are discussed below, and one of them is chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is one of the primary pigment found within the plant cell of the green plant. Green coloring of the plant leaf and the tender part of the stem is due to the presence of pigment called chlorophyll. So just because of the presence of this pigment, this is responsible for green color of plant leaf. Green color of plant leaf. And the chlorophyll pigment is the most significant and essential pigment because it plays the role in the process of photosynthesis. And there are different type of chlorophyll pigment, which are chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, chlorophyll C, chlorophyll D, and chlorophyll E. And most commonly we discussed about chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B. Chlorophyll A found in algae, cyanobacteria, and in all higher plant. And chlorophyll B found only in green algae and in higher plant. Chlorophyll C found in photosynthetic chromista, and chlorophyll D found in red algae, and chlorophyll E found in only in algae. So among these 5 type of chlorophyll pigment, chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B are considered as the primary photosynthetic pigment. So these are very important in reference to photosynthesis process, that is chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B. Next one is the carotenoid. Carotenoid are the pigment in the form of orange, red, and yellow color. These compounds are insoluble in water, means they are non-soluble in water, and are attached to the membrane of cell body. These biomolecules are antioxidants which promote a good eyesight in human. So carotenoid is mainly responsible for yellow color. Next one is the anthocyanin. Anthocyanin is a type of flavonoid pigment found naturally in all the tissue of the higher group of plant. These pigment function by providing color to the stem, leaf, root, fruit, and flower. Based on their pH, these type of pigment appear red, blue, purple, and other dark color. And mainly anthocyanin is responsible for blue color. When we discussed in photosensory biology, so in that case anthocyanin is responsible mainly for blue color. Next one is the flavonoid. Flavonoid are a type of yellow color pigment. So flavonoid are a type of yellow color, which found in lemon, orange and yellow color flower. And this type of pigment are largely found in plastid, or we can say chloroplast. So largely found in plastid or chloroplast and cytoplasm of the plant cell. Flavonoids are the chemical with the antioxidant property and help in lowering the cholesterol level. So thank you so much everyone. If you find this video beneficial for you, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel for more such kind of videos. And if you have any query regarding this lecture, you can comment down below. Thank you so much.